I want to describe some of the offices that reach out to Dental Sleep Profits wanting to work with us, and I want to describe where they're at in their journey. There's 4 different types of offices that come to us. The first one are offices that want to jumpstart. They're just getting started with dental sleep medicine. They want an influx of patients and they don't want to wait to have to screen all of their own dental patients. Then you want folks who want to grow. They're just wanting to see an uptick in the number of deliveries they're doing a month. And then you have folks who are usually looking to the horizon. They're looking toward the end of their career. They're looking for a big change in their career and they're wanting to accelerate what they're doing in dental sleep medicine. They've seen the growth, but they want to accelerate that because they have some big goals in mind. And then you have folks who reach out to us. They're wanting to transition completely into dental sleep medicine. They're wanting to leave general behind, or maybe they're just looking to increase the practice goodwill of their sleep practice for a sale and retirement. So those are kind of the 4 areas that reach out to us. If you want help doing any of those things, we're going to put a link in the description of this video. You can schedule a call with me. We can share how we can help you do that.